Hi, I'm Marion Rutt, listing agent for 312 Liberty Street in Ephrata's premier community at Hometown Square. Welcome to this beautiful, like-new, two-story arts and crafts home with craftsman's porch columns and stone piers. The inviting foyer opens to the large formal dining room with columns and wainscoting, perfect for entertaining family and friends, and French doors to the study with coffered ceiling. A hallway includes a full bath and two large closets. Lofty 10-foot ceilings grace the open floor plan of the first floor, in addition to upgraded hardwood floors. You will love the gourmet kitchen with bar area and island, upgraded cabinetry, granite countertops, double oven, and butler's pantry. The kitchen opens to the dining area and sun-filled family room with gas fireplace, bookshelves, and 8-foot slider door to the stamped concrete patio. The spacious first-floor master bedroom suite, complete with sitting area, large walk-in closet, and private bath, offering a relaxing haven. The bath includes a 5-foot tiled shower, double vanity, and garden soaking tub. The second floor with 9-foot ceilings offers two nice-sized bedrooms, each with walk-in closets, a full bath, plus a loft. Loaded with extras from the finished basement with powder room to the Energy Star certification, this beautiful home makes dreams come true. This lovely 55-plus community includes a clubhouse, library, walking paths, and outdoor pool. Thank you for viewing 312 Liberty Street, and call the Marion Rutt team for your private showing at 717-859-7019.